Hello and welcome to Zion Foodtrucks. Today we have a beautiful pizza trailer leaving us to Vail, Colorado. It is, on the outside it's hard to say it's a pizza trailer, but I promise it is. It's actually a wood-fired pizza trailer. Of course, from the outside, like all of our trailers, it is a seamless trailer, which means that it is not of riveted construction. All the panels are seamless. You can see the gas tanks on the outside. It's in a cage, and the propane goes down into the trailer, well, under the trailer into it. This is so that if it leaks outside. Let's go inside and see its many features. Before that, of course, there are two LED lights. Up in the front, you see the 3-compartment sink and the hand wash sink. The hand wash sink, of course, has a splash guard. That's the soap dispenser, the towel dispenser. Right here is the business end of this trailer, which is a fairly large Maraforni pizza oven. It's a wood-fired pizza oven. It's a gas-assisted wood-fired pizza oven. That means that you can see the LP going into it. That is a refrigerator. And here is another refrigerator. Of course, they have to store a lot of dough balls. That's what it is for. Griddle, which is 24 inches in this case. Fryer, 40 pound. And a large pizza prep table. There is a freezer. Service window. And of course, the fire suppression bottles that you see. That was a ABC bottle. This is a K series bottle. Of course, the fire suppression for the griddle and the fryer is right up here because it's tagged. The plumbing is all inside. That's the fresh water tank and the gray water tank. We also store the lid for the oven inside, just so it doesn't fall off during transport. If you have any questions, or if you would like a food trailer or a food truck like this one, to call us on our phone number 720-209-2653, or contact us through our website www.zionfoodtrucks.com. Thank you. Have a nice day.